So let me create new app. So start with your data. Let me select this one. My new app is say test class test 1 app. Okay, and category, let me select education and training, and then choose your data. So I'll let me just copy this name here, paste it, and this is my data. So if you search it, then exactly you'll be able to find the script, or the Google Sheet. Select it, and initial interface will be prepared. Okay, just wait a few minutes, and here I have the app here, right here. Okay, so just one tab for now and nothing else here. So we'll be updating everything. So you may want to select this new table or add table R2 private tab, just like I selected this rubric tab. So click it, and you'll have a new table here. So you may have more than 3 tabs here, but you don't want everything in your app. The thing you want to you must import them as new tables. Okay, so I don't want this R2 private to be modified, so let me click as read only. And rubrics, I don't want it to be modified, so read only. But here it shouldn't be read only, but no deletes, because I don't want any like rows to be deleted by the user. Okay, so if I click the storage like option, so this is source path, name of the file. Okay, and this is submission sheet. Okay, sometimes you may want to copy your old app and make some edits to make a new app. In that situation, you may want to like browse for new data or choose a new source. Okay, then select like any worksheet name here. Okay, let me click save. Every time we make some change, make sure you save the app, otherwise your changes won't be saved, and all this for nothing. And this is the table. These are the columns. Basically all the tables are here, and these are the slices. What are the slices? Sometimes you can filter things. For example, you have 100 PDF, and some of them are has been graded. Say 40 PDF has been graded or checked, and 60 PDFs are remaining. Then you want to click two slice. One is graded, say graded, and say one is ungraded, so that you can differentiate between the two. So how can you put some condition, row filter condition? You don't want every rows to be visible for these slices. You want some filtered row. So I'll be putting some condition here later on. And user setting, we don't need this for now, and options, we don't need this also. So we basically need table, columns, and slices. Now comes the user interface. So here I have this submission interface, submission details, submission form. So let me click here. I have column order. Okay, if I click column order, then I'll be able to select anything. Let's see. Okay, so another thing, let me go to columns here, submission column, and let me create a virtual column, say SL or serial number. Okay, which will be just a row number. Click the insert. So this column is the row number, and okay, so this is my virtual column. You can edit and like you leave everything as it is. Okay, done. and then user interface. Here I want to select SL. Okay, and then I want to select email address. Then I want to select, say, um, ID, for example, and I want to select the upload file. I want to access the file, uh, comments, any comments, okay, and then I want to select uh, automatically computed marks. Then say selected rubrics, private rubrics, partial marks, final marks, and grader comment and special comments. Now I can select these things, but I don't want to like display it here because I want to keep those confidential. Okay, so whenever your app is being used by multiple person, only you'll be monitoring who is grading which script and when they're doing that. So for that I can select or deselect show option here. It won't be visible to anyone else. Okay, I can also choose to hide the ID of the student if I don't want to know other members to the student's ID. Let me save it. Okay, so submission. Here I don't have anything, just one, so probably I need to do something here. So let's click this submission, primary views submission. Okay, so it's in card view. Let me create a table view. So now you have a structure, but I don't want every column to be displayed here. Let me delete this sort by option and add column order. So first thing is the serial number. Second thing is the say email address. Okay, so this email address is like a symbol, but I want exact text, not this symbol here. So let me go to column and add a new virtual column. So email string. So email address. Okay, save, and the type is not email, rather than it's a text, say long text. No, let me choose just text. Done. And then I should be able to add email string here. Okay, let me let the app be yeah, I have it here. So only serial and email address will be shown here, and let me make it narrow view. Okay, if someone opens the app, they'll see this submission tab. They'll click this and they'll have this option. If they click edit, they can edit everything, but I don't want them to edit everything. Basically, I want them to edit like only a few things. So in these reference views, I have submission. I have edited this before. Now I want to edit submission form. So column order, what I want them to edit, I just want them to put some rubrics or some private rubrics or some comments or some special comments. There are differences between these two comments. I'll explain it later. Okay, so only 4 options here. That will make them make the app more suitable, because you don't have to scroll up and down for through 100 options. Okay, okay, so if I click it, edit, okay, so auto queue, this shouldn't be here. Why it's here? Because it's automatically added must include a key, because it's being used by as a key. So let me go to column view and use row number as key and row number as label, and it's not a key. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay, so here See, row number is added. Auto queue, I can delete auto queue now. Okay. So you don't want everything here. You just want selected few things here. Okay. So yeah, that's my submission tab. I'll create new tabs now. So say new view from the UX or like user interface, new view, and say this is graded, or and the slice is graded slice. Okay, and it will be table view on the center or rightmost. Okay, let me make it rightmost, and the column order will be just okay, it's graded but nothing else is selected. So let me create another option. So ungraded, and it will be ungraded. Slice condition is not there yet. That's why options aren't here, but I'll add them soon.